The independent committee investigating the Wang Fuk Court fire held its third public hearing today. The government's legal representative said it was a groundless allegation to say that the Housing Bureau's independent checking unit tipped off Wang Fuk's contractor before inspections. Muसँग reports.
The public hearing investigating the Wang Fuk Court fire resumed at Central City Gallery on Tuesday. David Look, the independent committee's chairman, and Jiang Soon, the government's legal representative, arrived at the site. Soon began his opening submission by saying that the government is sincere and genuine in identifying deficiencies in the system and enacting systematic reform. But he mentioned a statement made by the committee's senior counsel, Victor Dose, that surveyors from the Housing Bureau's Independent Checking Unit, or ICU, had tipped off Prestige Engineering and Construction, the project contractor, about an inspection in October 2024. Describing the allegation as groundless, Soon questioned whether the contractor could have replaced substandard materials in the buildings with the inflammable kinds in a short period of time before the inspection. The barrister said that the ICU had reminded the contractor about the fire hazard risks, contrary to allegations that the surveyors did not follow up on the matter when residents lodged complaints. He pointed out that the ICU had inspected Wang Fuk Court in October 2024, but the combustible foam boards were not installed on the windows at that time. Soon said the ICU could not be aware that the contractor would use the flammable foam boards later. During the submission of the Urban Renewal Authority, its lawyers stressed that the body is neutral and acts as a facilitator in the bidding process rather than a decision maker. The lawyer said it's unfair to say the URA failed to do its job properly. The Competition Commission also provided a submission in the morning hearing, listing out the types of anti-competition practices in the market, including bid rigging and price fixing. The Competition Commission said the malpractices have existed in the market for a long time. The Competition Commission proposed several legislative suggestions in the hearing, including criminalizing several anti-competition acts. Muसँग, TVB News.